discussion session.
Okay. So good evening to all of you. Welcome to the first session. Okay. Right. So as informed earlier, so you need to tick yes or no whenever we ask questions, right? Okay. Let me introduce something. So just I'll give some notation. So we are group 3, so G3. I'm defining, so throughout this course, G3 is set of students in this class. Okay, is it clear? Can you tick yes? So G is set of students in this class. Be quick, that is, we are not asking any questions to you, right? Okay. So another thing is that we'll use natural numbers, okay? If somebody want to comment, so we are clearing your thing. So we are clearing. So now somebody can comment that what are natural numbers you want to comment. Can you tick yes if you want to comment? What are natural numbers? If you know natural numbers, tick yes. You want to comment, you want to say something. Be quick. If you know, then be quick. Yeah, you should need to be quick. Okay, someone come room number 3. Mentor from room number 3. Can you ask one student?
Yes, Amrit.
Room number 4. Mentor from room number 4.
Yes. Manpreet.
Manpreet, do you know what are the natural numbers?
So may I?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So
Yeah, please.
they are typically positive numbers which start from ones and they go on up to infinity.
Yeah, but okay, first number is 1 we are saying. What is the next number?
So 1, 2, 3, they are integers only.
Okay, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this is natural numbers. We will denote natural numbers like this. Right. Okay. So somebody can point out this. So I'm writing here something here. So somebody want to comment on this? What is this or something? So I'm clearing all of you. Now can you want to say something? I wrote something here. You want to comment on this?
May I?
No, do not. So we'll ask you, right? We'll ask you. Do not raise hand. Raise hand is only when you have a doubt, right? Raise hand is only if you have a doubt. Okay. Right. So 2 belongs to n. So what is that you want to comment on this? Just I wrote something here, right? Yeah, room number 1. One mentor from room number 1. Can you call one person?
Can you please respond?
Two is a two belongs to natural numbers.
So what is that you want to
Maybe
say
it is
about?
the second natural number.
Okay, what is that you want to say? 2 belongs to n. What is that you want to say? Please say something.
Uh, two is the second least natural number.
Oh, second least number. Okay, it is a natural number, right? Okay, what is this thing actually? 2 belongs to n. So I can write like this also, right? 2 belongs to n, right? What is this? Or what is this? Okay. Is anyone want to say? Okay, let us, I will talk to them. Someone from room number 2?
Sir, it is in the roster form and one is in. Yes, sir, it is a form of representation.
Okay,
sets.
yeah, okay. No. It is not. It is not a set, right? It is not a set. Then what is this? Okay, what is this? 2 belongs to n. What is that you are coming to your mind when I write like this? What is this? It is a set, right? N is equal to 1, 2, 3 is a set. G3 is set of students in this class. What
So
is this
this
2 belong to?
2 belongs to natural number. You say that.
What is this string? Is it a set? What is it? Mathematically, what is this? What do you think? Just what is that you want to convey?
The 2 is an element of set
Okay.
n.
Yeah. So mathematically, what is this? Anyone? Any other person?
Sir, it is a statement.
It is a statement. Yes. Okay. Just I'm looking. One of you may say it is a statement. Okay. So in mathematics, we'll generally start with statements, right? It is a statement. Okay. So this is very important. First thing we'll learn. Okay. In mathematics, first we'll communicate with through statements. Okay. Then that statements may contain sets, other symbols and other things. So this is a statement. Okay, good. What is this statement? What we can say about this statement? Now somebody can comment. Now 2 belongs to n. It is a statement. Which type of statement? Is anyone want to comment? Can you take yes? Okay. Harit Panwar. Harit Panwar.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is a true statement.
True statement. That's good. Okay. Statement has two values, right? It is either true or false. Good. Okay. True or false. But here in this case, it is a true statement. It is not only statement, it is a true statement. Okay. Thank you. We are clearing all the feedback. Okay. So you understand that in mathematics, we'll start with the statements and some statements may be true, some are false like that. Okay. Let us see this. Now I wrote this. Somebody can comment now. Be quick now. So you are understood, right, how it goes now. Be quick now onwards, okay?
Sir, it is a false statement.
No, do not say. See, we'll ask you, right? Okay, first, okay. So we are clearing all your things. So do not tick yes or no. We are clearing all of you, right? I will ask question, now respond, okay? Is it a statement or not? Okay, is it a statement or not? Now tick yes or no. Is it a statement? Is it a statement? That's it. Nandini Gupta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jasmine Kaur, you ticked no. Why? Can you say why it is not a statement? Jasmine? Now you are saying it is a statement? Jasmine?
So by mistake.
Okay, you clicked that. What is that you want to say? Is it statement? Now you say, is it a statement or not? Okay. Kushbu? Room number 7,
Yes.
Kushbu.
Yes, sir.
It is a statement. Okay. Yeah, it is a statement actually, no problem, but it is a false statement. It is false, right? Okay. So it is
Yes,
a
sir, it is a
statement.
false
It is a
statement.
false statement, but it is a statement first. Okay. It is a statement. Okay. So we'll work with the statements, right? Okay. Now I am giving you another question. I'm giving a question, right? So I'm clearing all your feedback. So please answer this. Okay. Listen carefully. I'm writing that x belongs to n. It is given that it is a false statement. It is given that it is a false statement. Okay. I'm not asked any question. Okay. Let me listen. Let me complete. It is given that it is a false statement. It is a false statement. So somebody can tell me what is the statement which is true based on this. Now, can you tick yes or no? Somebody can tell me if I gave that x belongs to n is a false statement. I told that. Now somebody can tell me what is the statement which is true related to this statement. Okay, hope it is clear. So some mentor from room number 5. Okay, so Suhani Bhushan.
Sir, X do not belongs to N.
Yeah, okay. X does not belongs to N. How do I write? X I write. Next, what I write?
Sir, belong sign and a cross.
Cross. Very good. Nice. X does not belongs to N, right? Okay. See, try to understand that when mathematicians, when they write, in order to write 2 belongs to N, belongs belongs to N, instead of writing all these several times, we need to write, then we'll bring a symbol, right? 2 belongs to N like that. Okay. Does not belongs to, does not belongs to, both likhna padega. So then they will bring some symbol. Okay. It is happening several times, then they will bring a symbol. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay. So this is a false statement, then this becomes true statement. Okay, good, nice. Now I am asking another question. Okay. So this is my statement. I am calling a statement. So today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay. Question number 1, is it a statement or not? Is it a statement or not? Be quick. Okay. Easy. Simple questions I am asking. Is it a statement or not? Only I am asking. Okay. So Ishika Gupta, room number 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it a statement?
Yes, sir. This is a statement.
Okay. Good. Nice. Okay. So it is a statement. Good. Okay. So even though I do not written is it a statement or something, you are able to say that it is a statement. Good. Okay. It is a statement. Is it a true statement or false statement, Ishika?
Sir, it is a false statement.
Okay, okay, good. So I am calling this as S1. Okay, now I'm clearing all your feedback. Okay, now I'm asking another question. Now somebody tell me if this is a false statement. Okay, but what is a true statement? So what is that you want to comment? Yeah, okay, clear. So S1 is today is Monday. You all agreed that it is a statement and it is a false statement. You agreed. Good, nice. But now I'm asking you, can you tell me S2? That is a true statement. Why response is very less? What happened? You are facing difficulty?
So may I?
No, wait, I will ask. Room number 3, Arpit Singh.
The true statement is true statement is today's Sunday.
Today is Sunday. That's what you are thinking, right? Okay, let me write. So you are telling the true statement is that today is Sunday. Okay. Okay. So how many of you, I'm clearing this feedback. So how many of you agree with this? Is it all of you agree that this is what you are also thinking? You are also thinking the same statement. Today is Sunday, you want to say, or you have something in your mind that I want to see. Okay. Yeah, good. Many of you are not accepting. This is not in your mind. That is good. Okay. So I will ask one person from those who are ticked no. I will ask one of you. So room number 4, Sonali Kumari. What is that you are thinking? Sonali.
Sir, I was thinking today is not Monday.
Okay. You are thinking that today is not Monday. Good. Okay. Today is not Monday. That is what in your mind. Okay. Nice. Okay. So why this is in your mind? So let us explore that. Okay. So which one is correct? Which one is wrong? So it's all thinking. Okay. Yeah. Good. Nice that many of you are responding. That is the way, right? We'll learn. So we are not saying it is mistake also. Today is Sunday also we are not saying mistake. Okay. Let us see that which one is better to say and all. Okay. So today is 24, right? 0825. Okay. Today, so S1 is false, agreed. S1 is false. S1 is today is Monday, false. S2 is true, agreed. Right. What about tomorrow? If I take tomorrow is 25. Okay, no need to respond. Okay. I'm not asking you to respond. So 250825, right? So tomorrow S1 is true, right? You agree with me, correct? And S2 is false. S2 is false, right? What about Tuesday? Somebody can point out. Now you can tick yes. So 26, 08, 25. What happens? Can you tick yes now? Very simple question only I'm asking. I want you to interact with me. That's why I'm asking simple questions, right? What happens to S1, S2 on 26? That is on Tuesday. S1 is today is Monday, S2 is today is Sunday, right? Someone from room number 9? Mentor?
Kunal
Kunal.
Taneja.
Kunal?
So on Tuesday, S1 would be false and S2 would be true.
Tuesday, S1 will be true. S1
The today is not
S2.
Monday, so that will be true, no?
No, 26 is that Tuesday. I'm asking about Tuesday. So when I ask this question on Tuesday, S1 is today is Monday, S2 is today is Sunday. On Tuesday, I will ask this question. What about S1? False, right? What about
S1 will be
S2?
false, S2 would be false, and today is not
S2 is
Monday, is
also
true.
false, right? Yeah. S2 is also false. Okay. Yeah. If I take this as my statement, right? Today is Sunday. S1, S2 are these two if I consider, then some days both are false, right? Some days both are false. Sometimes one is true, other is false. Is happening, right? What happens that if I take S2, my S1 I am not changing. If I take my S2 is this, then what is going to happen? Let us check. Okay, so I'm clearing all of your things. So one of you now tell me, if I take S1 as today is Monday and S2 is today is not Monday, if I take, then what is going to happen on Tuesday? Somebody can point out now? Are you following? I'm asking this question on Tuesday. My S2 is changed now. S2 is not Monday, right? Yeah. Okay, room number 8, Sujit Kumar Gupta.
Yes, sir. The other day is except Monday. That day maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe.
No, you say something again, repeat. What happens if I take any typical day? What is going to happen? Okay, you are telling much more generalized way. You are telling me.
Sir,
So if I take any typical day, S1 S2 क्या होता है? Yeah.
if I select 26 August, then that day will be not Monday. That day will be maybe Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Right. And in that case, S2 क्या होता है? True or false?
S2 today is not Monday. True, sir.
That is true on that day. Okay.
Yes.
So on Tuesday, S2 is true, S1 is false, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And for example, tomorrow I will ask. What about S1, S2? Tomorrow if I ask.
S1 is true and S2 is false.
S2 is false. Okay. If I ask on Saturday if I ask this question.
S1 is false and S2 is true.
True. Very good. Nice. So I'm clearing now. So what is that you noticed now in this way if I write? Okay, I'm clearing all of you. Yeah. Now can you tell me what is that you noticed? If I take S1 is today is Monday, S2 is today is not Monday, what is that you noticed? Whatever you noticed, just tell me. It is thinking process, right? I'm not telling anything to you. I'm asking you to respond something, whatever you feel. Okay. Okay, Jessalyn Kaur, room number 3.
Sir, except Monday, all the answers are same.
Monday क्या होगा?
Monday को S1 will be true and S2 will be false.
Okay, remind बाकी दिन में क्या होता है?
And बाकी दिन S1 is false and S2 is true.
Okay, हर दिन में क्या हो रहा है? कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है, वो बताओ. Every day
Either first is false or second is true or first or vice versa.
Right, very good. You notice that? Good, nice thing. Okay. Okay, nice, good. I hope all of you understand that if one is true, other is false. Other is true, other is false. Okay. So somebody now I'm clearing all of you. You may come across of this type. What is this called? Okay. So S1 and S2, right? S2 is called something for S1 if you know. Otherwise, okay, I'll explain you. What is S2 called for S1? Okay. S1 is today is Monday, S2 is today is not Monday, right? So very beautifully happening, right? Whenever S1 is true, S2 is false. S2 is false, then S1 is true. Like that, they are one is true, other is false happening. So what is that? S2 is called for S1. If you know, if you do not know, don't worry about that. So those who know, just say it. Okay. Yushika Gupta.
Yes, sir. So they are called complement of each other.
Okay, compliment. Okay, good, very nice. Okay, Yashpreet Kaur.
Yes, sir. If S1 is true, then S2 will be the negation of S1.
No. S true false is not required. S2 is called simply negation of the statement S1. Okay, good, nice. Okay. Yeah, complement also, complement each other is fine. So generally we'll call, I am asked, please listen my question carefully. I asked what is S2 to S1? S2 is called negation of S1, right? Okay. So if S is a statement, okay, we'll denote the negation of S by this way. Okay. So then what is going to happen? If S is true, then negation of S becomes false. Okay. If S is false, the negation of S becomes true, right? So this is the way we will write. Okay. So is it clear to all of you? I'm clearing all of you. Can you tick yes? Now you need to be quick, fast. Okay. So I'll ask one of you, Yuvraj Singh. Can you unmute? Yuvraj.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Tell me that what are the things we discussed till now? First thing is we discussed what
So
about
we started with the statements. So
statement.
you
Wait. So first we started with the statement, right? What is a statement? Statement is either true or false, but not both. Okay. So those are called statement or mathematical statements. Okay. Next, what we learned, yours, yeah.
so then you we got to know about two symbols, belongs to, doesn't belongs to.
Okay.
Then with the help of examples, we understood negations.
Negation. So given a statement as there is another statement, given a statement as there is another statement that is called a negation of S. Okay. And this is negation of S and S. What is the connection between them? If one is true, other is going to be false. Right? Yeah. So why this is, you understand that now S is today is Sunday is not a negation of the original state. You understand that. So one of you can comment why it is not a negation. Okay, it is better I will ask you. I am clearing all of you. Now somebody can comment why today is Monday, negation is not today is Sunday. Why? Anything you feel, you tell us.
So I'll tell or gives lesson.
No, not you. Okay. Ishmita Kaur, room number 6.
Sir, in some of the cases, both the statements may be false.
That is one reason. Other reason? Any other? Okay, you were done with your thing. Okay, I'll ask other person. Good. Your answer is correct. Not that is also part of answer. Yeah. Sonali Kumari, room number 4.
Yes, sir. Both are different days, so then we can not negotiate.
So can you say a little louder? It is not that audible to me.
Sir, both days are different, so we cannot negotiate with each other.
Okay. Okay. So I'll check one with one more person. Anchal Sharma from room number 7. What is your work? You also the same or something else? Anchal.
Sir, like if we take today is Sunday, then we cannot say that it is a negation of S1 and then it would not be counted as a mathematical statement.
Okay, anyhow, so I will tell now. I'm clearing all of you. See, today is Sunday is completely different statement. Okay, it is not related to today is Monday, right? So if you, so I hope it is clear to you. It is a completely, you are telling that completely different statement. Negation should be related to the given statement. Okay, nice. Okay, so I will ask one question now. So one statement I will give you, right? So you tell me what is the negation of that, okay? So Simla is capital of India. Simla is capital of India. How many of you want to tell negation of it? Simla is capital of India. What is the negation of S? So I want a negation of S. Be quick. This is easy. Okay. Kushbu, you have raised hand. You have some doubt. Okay, it is by mistake. Okay, fine. Simla is capital of India. What is the negation of this? Okay, room number 7, Jayesh Gupta.
The negation would be Shimla is not the capital of India.
Very good. Okay. See, what is, you try to understand what is that we are doing also. Okay. So what is we are negating? You see that Simla is common, right? Sorry. Simla is common, right? So what is changing? Okay. What is changing? That we need to understand. Okay. Okay. So earlier also you see that today is Monday. Is Monday is what? That is a property of that day, right? Today is Monday. Monday is a property of that day. Okay. Capital of India is a property. Okay. Is it true for Simla? No. Right. Simla is, so we are negating the property, not the entire statement. Okay. So Simla is capital of India. Simla is not capital of India. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So I'm clearing now, all of you. So now I'll request, there is a small fun game now. All you get ready. Okay. I'll explain you. You have any questions till now? Everything is fine? You understand what are statements? What is a statement and negation, right? Okay. Now I am asking something now. Yeah. So Seshibu, Shuhani, you have some question? Yeah, please ask. Okay.
Sir, about true and false statements regarding in this statement, like Shimla is capital of India. So as in a overall way, in general way, it is a false statement, and Shimla is not capital of India. It is a true statement. But in a purpose of maths, like negations are false statements and statements are true.
No, it is not like that. Statement meaning whether it can be false or true. Okay, statement is like a something. Okay, whose value is either true or false, right? Okay, for example, I say x belongs to natural number, right? X can be 1 or x can be 2 or x can be 3, correct? Like that, statement in mathematics means it has either true value or false value. That is called a statement. Both are statements. Simla is capital of India also statement. Simla is not capital of India is also statement. Okay. Okay, I'll explain you one more example. Thanks. That is the way you need to ask questions. Okay. See, you may be done this. Root 2 is irrational number, right? Okay, root 2 is irrational number. You studied. So how do you prove this? Do you know how to prove this? How to prove means entire proof is not required. How do you do? How do you done? If you recall, okay, don't worry about if you do not know that. So root 2 is no, not you, not you. Can you mute, please? Yeah, thanks for asking. So I'm answering your question only much better. Few more examples I'm giving. Is one of you can tell me that when you proved it, this is the statement. So this is a true statement, right? When a statement is true, then we need to give a proof for it. How do you give the proof, right? Okay. Gaurang, am I correct? Gaurang only, right? Yeah. Okay. Ifaz, Ifja,
Yes,
Dilsha.
sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So we start by taking the contradictory statement, which is root 2 is not irrational, and
Good,
then
very good.
negate
It is
it.
not a contradictory statement. Today onwards, what you need to say? We'll take the
Negation statement.
negation, right? This is my statement, right? I want to show this is true, right? So, but people take its negation. What is that? Root 2, you are very rightly pointed out. Root 2 is not root 2 is not irrational, right? So we'll start with this, okay? Root 2 is not irrational. Then we'll show that somehow we'll show that it is wrong, okay? So, but root 2 is irrational is same as, can you comment? Root 2 is not rationally same as root 2 is
Rational number. Root 2 is rational number.
Yeah, okay. 2 is rational number. Okay, please do not answer. Okay, so root 2 is rational number, right? Okay, so why it is rational we told, because real numbers are either rational or irrational, that's why. But this is the correct way to tell. What she told is correct. Better say that root 2 is not irrational, correct. But we know that rational. Why we are proving like this? Because when you know that we define first rational numbers only. What is a rational number? You know that it is of the form p by q, p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, something, right? We'll get back to that. But we not define what is irrational number. Right? So how do I check whether given number is irrational or not, right? So since we are not defined it, so all the numbers which are not rational, they are called irrational, right? So that is the thing. Okay. So my overall point is that, so to prove this statement, sometimes we are unable to prove that statement as it is. So we need to negate it. And we'll show that this is false. If this is false, then my original statement becomes true. That is the technique. Okay. Yeah. Hope it is clear to you. So what is the need for negating things, right? This is a technique. It is a proof technique. Sometimes we want to prove, then we'll take its negation. Okay. And we'll show that is false. Somewhere it gives a contradiction to something, some known fact. Okay. So get back to the questions. Now I'm asking you. So we saw several examples, right? So till now, Simla is not capital of India, today is Sunday, right? So you can take any example. Now I will go into a small game now. Okay. So that is that room number 1 people has to give one statement. Okay. Room number 2 people has to negate that. Okay. Negation of R1 is given by the room 2 students. Okay. R3 again, they will give the statement. So R2 people have be easy. They have to negate the statement given by the R1 people, right? Again, R3 people tough. They have to give some statement, okay? And R4 people, they have to negate it. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So this is R4. So next R5, they have to give a statement. Okay. And R6 people, they have to negate it. Start thinking. Okay. R6 people has to negate that. Similarly, R7 people, they have to give a statement. Okay. R8, room number 8 people, they have to negate it. Okay. So try. So we'll go slowly. So I'll give 1 minute time to you. Think about, get ready with your question. When you are ready, tick yes. First R1 people who are ready, tick yes. Only R1 people. If you are ready, tick yes. Yeah. So R1 mentor, you can ask one of them, right?
Sandeep,
Yes.
can you please respond?
Yeah.
Sandeep.
You can ask other person.
Arpit, can you please go on?
Yes. I have a statement like both the diagonals of a rectangle have the same length.
Okay, good, nice. Both the diagonals
Of a rectangle.
of a rectangle have same length. Okay. Now room number 2. Okay. Now we are clearing this room number 2 people. So you need to negate this. Room number 9 people, nothing to do. Just enjoy. Okay. Both the diagonals of a rectangle are in equal length. Yeah.
Harit is ready to answer, Harit?
Yes, sir. Both the diagonals of a rectangle are not equal in length.
Not equal in length. Okay. Yeah. So I'm not writing. So you understood. Not equal in length. Okay. Good. Room number 3.
Yes, Arpit, you can try.
Congruence modulo is an equivalence relation.
Is it a statement? You are saying something that is true or false, I do not know, right? What is the
Why
statement?
did not I say that?
No, what is that you told? Congruence?
Congruence modulo is an equivalence relation.
Okay, congruence modulo is an equivalence relation. Okay, but that is a lot of things are missing. Okay, so congruence modulo, some natural number, Okay, so you are telling that in general congruence. Okay, but that is little difficult. So everyone will not be clear.
Think of real life example, no?
Uh,
Something which we come across every day in our life, day-to-day life.
We are attending OFCM2025.
So we are attending. So, okay, instead of we are, what is your name?
Harpreet Singh, sir.
Harpreet, okay. Sorry if I not written correctly. So Harpreet, right? Harpreet is attending. Okay, don't worry about the name. Okay, Harpreet is one person attending OFCM 2025. Yeah, somebody tell me now room number 4 people. So can you tell me what is the negation of this statement? Room number 4.
Yeah. Gurmeet, can you unmute please?
Harpreet not attending OFCM 2025.
Very good. Okay, good, nice. Room number 5.
Yashika, please. Go on.
It is raining outside.
It is raining outside. Good, nice. See, you have a lot of creativity. Okay, yeah, it is raining outside. So room number 6 people. Yeah. Be quick.
Kausal Sharma.
Ashpreet Kaur.
It is not raining outside.
Yeah, so good. Room number 7. Room number 7. Be quick.
Palak, you may.
We are going Shimla.
Sorry, can you repeat, please? Can you say a little louder?
We are going Shimla.
We are going Shimla. We are going to Shimla. Okay. Okay. So room number 9, room number 8. Sorry, 7. I need to type it.
We are not going to some.
Okay, right. Okay. Yeah. So you know how to now statements and negations, right? Okay. So now I will ask you. Okay. So for room number 9 people, I will ask some question. Okay. So one of you can tell me room number 9 people. So I'm asking one question. I'm telling that A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So say something. What is that? Whatever you want to say something, you say little faster. Yeah, so room number 9, somebody can mentor, can you call? Mentor from room number 9. Okay.
Nishchay.
A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Good. A is subset of B. Okay. Surgun, what is that you want to say? Room number 9, Surgun. Surgun, unmute and tell. Don't worry. Kuch batao. Whatever you feel, you can tell freely. Right? Okay. Kunal?
Same.
Same thing. Okay. Kunal, what is that you want to say?
So that 1, 2, and 3 that are member of A also belongs to the B.
Okay. So I'm writing A subset of B. Okay. So what is happening here? Why you said that A is subset of B? Nishchay, why you said that A is subset of B? What is the reason?
So because all elements of A belong to the B set.
Okay. So how do I write that? Okay. 1 is in A, 1 is in here, 2 is in here, 2 is here, 3 is here. Here their number of elements are very less, right? So I can write easily. Okay. But if I have my sets are bigger, infinite sets, then how do I write? Is there a way? Okay, I'll say like this. If X belongs to A, if X is in A, then what is that? This implies what? Yeah, Niche, I'm talking to you. You told that A is subset of B. Good. You told that elements of A are here. Okay. I'm now telling that X belongs to A. What is that I have to write here? So if X is in A, then
X also belongs to B.
so I write here the condition, right? X belongs to B. Okay. So when you say that A is subset of B, what is that you are looking? Elements in which set you are looking? When you are talking about A is subset of B, which elements you are looking? Are you looking elements of B or elements of A?
So,
नीचे आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ.
so I think both we will see, like if we will try to see that if A is also a part of B.
No, वो देखने के लिए. Okay, Kunal, what is that you want to say? Yeah, Kunal, go ahead.
So we will see the element in A intersection B, like where both the elements coincide.
No, to see that A is subset of B, I want to see the intersection. Okay,
Like if you want to tell element of X, we have to tell some X. That is in both of them. If we say A is a subset of B, we'll look for both
A
of
is
them.
subset of B होने के लिए element दोनों पे होना चाहिए क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 5 is in both of them.
No, sir. We are talking about A. We are claiming
So
that
that's
X
what
belongs to A, so that
okay.
means X also belongs to B.
No, so okay, I'm just clearing all of you. So just give a time. Okay, I'll give you some time to you. So can you clear? Yeah. So now all of you now think about. So somebody want to point, now tell me. If A is, in order to tell A is subset of B, which elements I have to think about first? So I am to think about elements of A or elements of B or both, or what is that? Whatever you are thinking, you let me know, right? Okay, Shivali Thakur.
Sir, we have to think about the elements of A.
Right. We have to think about elements of A. Okay, we'll just check the elements of A. Now, what is the property they have to satisfy? Elements of A.
Sir, all the elements of A must be present in B so that A is the subset of, so that B is the subset of.
For that, what is that we are doing? So we are checking the elements of A. Is it in B or not? Okay. Yeah. So how many elements I have to check? How many elements I have to check? If, for example, I take 1, right? Okay, let us take one more example, right? I take 1, 3, 7, right? And I take my B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Okay. So is it a subset of B? Is it a
No,
subset
sir.
of B? Okay. Why A is not subset of B, Sonali?
Because 7 doesn't belong to B.
Because 7 is in A but not in B, right? Yeah. Okay. So A is subset of B ke liye, so to show that, so you need to check with elements of A, okay? And we need to see that they have some property. What is the property? They belongs to B. That is the property. Elements of A has to satisfy some property. But how many elements has to satisfy? So that it be subset. Okay, that is the question. I'm clearing one more time. So just now again, we clear all of your feedback. Now you tick yes if you want to say. So A is subset of B, meaning we need to check elements of A and they all need to satisfy some property. That is properties that they have to be in B. But how many elements have to check? That is the question. Just I'll check one element, two elements are sufficient, or what is that you want? How many elements I have to check to show that A is subset of B?
So
okay,
if
Omraj, room number 1.
Check all the elements present in A.
All the elements in A has to be in B, right? Okay. In English, how do you write? Every element of A has to be in B, right? This is the way we write. Every element of A has to be in B, so then A is subset of B, meaning definition is this. But we will need to write. Okay, so is there a way to write in mathematics this part? Omraj, do you have any idea? Okay.
So the sign of subset
Okay, that is one thing. A is subset of
can
B.
write
Okay.
a subset of
But
B.
every element of A has to be in B. Okay, this is a statement. Agreed. Correct. So this is statement. The definition of this is that A is subset of B means every element of A has to be in B. So to check that A is subset of B, I'm checking every element in A. Right. Okay. So Jasmine Kaur, room number 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do you have any idea to write this in mathematics? Every element of A has to be in B.
So we can write A is subset of B and X
Okay.
belongs to A implies X belongs to B.
Right, good. That is one way. Is there any other way? Yeah, just I'm checking with you. If anyone want to say something. Harit?
Sir, we can check X if X belongs to B, if X already belongs to A.
Okay. Okay, right. Okay, fine. So you see that if it is a subset of B means that whatever element you take in A that is in B, A is not subset of B means at least one element which is in A, not in B, right? Okay, this you understood. So, okay, I will get back to you again. Okay, I'm looking something else. Is there anyone you can unmute and say? Somebody want to say something? You can unmute and say.
Sir, can I?
Please go ahead.
Sir, for all X belongs to A such that X also belongs to B.
Okay. You are saying that. So how do you write that symbol? Symbol?
Inverted A.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Inverted A. So given any X belongs to A, so isko invert kiya. Good. X belongs to A, so that X belongs to B. Good night. Okay. You see that. So this is called quantifier, right? It is quantifying for how many things it is true. It is called quantifier. Okay. Yeah. You see that I also do not thought of inverted A to write. Okay. Yeah. So that is the beauty. Okay. Good. So it is a quantifier, and this quantifier can also some people call universal quantifier, but don't worry about that. So it is true for every, that's why universal. Okay. Whatever element you take, that is true. Okay. But we will read it as given any element in A, then that element should be in B. Okay. So, okay. Now I'll ask one of you that A is subset of B if, so what is the definition now? Somebody now tell me. So how do you define it in mathematics now? Be quick. Now you understood it. I'm asking one more time. Yeah. A is subset of B if, how do you define it? Definitions are crucial, right? Yeah. So someone from room number 5. Enter room number 5.
Yes.
Tejas, can you answer?
A is a subset of B if for all X belonging to A, X belongs to B.
Yeah. Okay. Very simple way, right? We are saving a lot of space. But while reading it, try to read like that. I'll tell you why. Given any X in A, X belongs to B. Okay. Now, okay, good. So I hope all of you clear. A is subset of B. Definition is that if given any X in A, X belongs to B. Okay. Now this is my statement S. Okay. This is my statement S. What is the negation of S? Tick S fast. What is the negation of S? This is my statement. A is subset of B. What is the negation of S? Rule number 3.
Jasleen, you wanna try?
No, Jasleen already talked. Nitin Thakur, Nitin.
Yes, sir. A is not a subset of B.
Very good, very good. A is not subset of B. Good, nice. Okay, okay. This is that you just took the negation of this. A is subset of B, meaning A is not subset of B. Very good, nice. Now look at this part, right? It is also a statement, right? It is also a statement, right? So can you tell me negation of this one? These two are same, right? This is a definition now. So can you tell me whatever you think? Think about
That
first.
for
What do you
all
mean?
x belongs to
Yeah, can you repeat?
for all x belongs to A, x does not belongs to B.
Yeah. So how many of you agree with him? Yeah. Now I'm clearing. So he told this. How many of you agree and how many disagree? How many of you agree? So he told that A is not subset of B, meaning given any element in A, that element does not belong to B. That is what he saying, right? How many of you agree? Don't worry about mistakes or it is a help us, right? Till now what we are thinking, okay? Yeah. Shelly Sharma, you told no, right? Why?
Sir, because it should be there exists X belonging to A such that.
But that is okay. Why there exist? Why? So we need to understand that.
So it is wrong because if we find in a single element that does not belong to B, then it is not a subset.
No. See, for example, I take 1, 2, right? I take B is equal to 3, 4. Is it a subset? My A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, right? Okay.
So it is not a subset.
Not a subset. Okay. So, but you are not happy with this way of writing, right? Yeah. Why? That also we need to think about. Okay. Okay. I'll get back. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So many of you are there. So I'll just ask one more person, Gurmeet Kaur. Gurmeet Kaur. Yeah. Why you said no?
So because it is a possibility that some of the elements of A may belong to the set of B.
Some elements may be in A but not in B. That also may possible. In that case also we say that A is not subset of B. Right. So you see here that 1 is in A, it is in B also. 1 is in 3 is in A, that is in B also. So to show that something is for all, it is not true meaning. So something is not true. Okay. So let us see some examples. Okay. Now, okay, don't worry about it. You are not understand. It's okay. So I'll just ask with Kunal again, right? So Kunal, so get ready. So I'll ask one question. So every student in this class is from Delhi. In this class, okay, is from Delhi. Is it a true statement?
So not
Kunal?
necessarily. Some might be from outside Delhi.
So you are from which place?
I'm from Haryana.
Okay. So you are there already, right? So when
Yes,
this
sir.
statement is true, when the statement is true, every student in this class is from Delhi. When the statement is true.
So if we consider only those students in the set who are
When
from
is this?
Delhi.
No. Please try to understand. The statement is true if I'm telling. I'm telling. Okay, every student in this class is from Delhi. Do you agree with me?
Okay, sir.
And do you agree with me? I'm telling some
Yes,
statement.
sir.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are telling that since I told, teacher told, so you agree.
You're saying I need to consider this, that every student in this class is from Delhi.
I'm telling it is true. Do you agree with me?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with me? Okay. Why you are agreeing? I don't know. You are from Haryana.
Sir,
Why you are agreeing?
you are saying I need to consider this.
No, not consider. I'm saying that this, I'm telling this is a true statement. Do you also agree with me or not?
No,
Right?
sir.
That is it.
No,
Okay.
sir.
No. Why it is no?
Sir, because there might be some who are not from Delhi.
Why might? Do you know at least one person?
Like myself, sir, I'm not from Delhi.
You are there, na. So the statement is true only if every student, whoever I take, right? I will ask first person, second person is from Delhi. Okay. Second person I will ask Delhi. For example, first 5 persons I asked, they're all from Delhi. Can I say that it is true?
In some cases, it might be, sir. It's not necessary. We need to consider something, some
So when
bound or
it is
some
going to
function
be,
or registration.
yeah, good. When it is going to be false then?
It would be false even if we find a person that is not based in Delhi.
So okay, good, nice, right? So every student in this class is from Delhi. This is strong meaning. What is the wrong meaning? At least one student In this class, he is not from Delhi, right? Okay. Okay, so good, nice. Okay, in this set, in this statement, do you see any set is involved here? Like here I have set, right? Here I have a set, right? A is a set, B is a set. So A is a set, right? I am looking elements of A satisfying some property, right? Like that आप यहाँ एक set देख सकते हो इसमें. Every student in this class is from Delhi. Okay, to everyone now, not only him, now everyone. He answered very nicely. Somebody can comment. Is there any set involved in this statement? Every student in this class is from Delhi. Do you think there is any set involved here? Okay, Sudhanshu Paddar. Sudhanshu, go ahead. Unmute and speak.
Sir, the set of the students in this class is the set.
Okay.
That
Okay. We are calling that as, I started with that. Do you remember? You told correctly, set of students in this class. I'm denoting that set as?
S.
No, I'm denoting that as G3, right? Very beginning pe
Yeah, sir.
Yes, okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Sudhanshu. Yeah, you can mute now. So G3 is set of students in this class, okay? Good. So now I'm asking another question. So set is there, right? So I'm talking about elements in this set. What is this set? Set of students in this class, okay? Okay, is there a property you can see here? So I take some x belongs to G3, means x is a student from G3. What is the property? What is the property? Somebody can point out now. X belongs to G3 means x is a student from this class G3, right? What is the property? So set you told, is there any property? Okay, Yashpreet Kaur.
Yes, sir. There is a property that students in this class are from Delhi.
No, what is the property? Now we are telling entire statement. Property. So x is belongs to G3, right? What is the property now x has?
So the property is that students in this class are from Delhi. That they
Is
belong.
from, yeah, okay. X is from Delhi, right? Is from Delhi. That is the property. This is the property, right? Is from Delhi is the property, right? Yeah. Okay. Good, nice. Okay, so nice. Now I'm clearing. So now somebody tell me what is the quantifier we are using here? What is the quantifier we are using here?
X is a subset of
No. Do not tell.
Here
See,
X
we are
is.
not asked you. We not asked you. Every student in this class is from Delhi. Question number 1. Is there a set involved in this? You are correct. You told set of students in this class. That is denoted as G3. Is there a property? Yes, you told nicely. He is from Delhi. Now the next question I'm asking is that, is there any quantifier is involved? Okay. Yeah. So Vigya, you have some question. You raised hand. Raised hand means you have a question. Yeah, you can ask that question. Okay. Okay. Shivam Kumar, room number 4.
Sir, for all x.
For all x. For all x, okay, good. So for all is the quantifier, right? So this statement, there are 3 things are there, right? One is the set. G3 is the set, and the property is from Delhi. Is from Delhi, right? So this is a property, and there is a quantifier, right? The quantifier is for all. Okay. So this is my statement. Okay. Yeah. So how do you write this now? How do you write? I'm writing. Okay. Given any student, while reading, I'm writing like for all not. I am writing like this. Given any student x from G3, given any student from G3, x is from Delhi, right? So this is a mathematical version, right? This is a given statement. Every student in this class is from Delhi. It is completely in English. So I brought a set, I brought quantifier, right? And property. I wrote like this. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Can you take guess? Somebody has a question. Okay. Raise your hand.
Khushbu has a doubt, I think.
Khushbu, please go ahead. Khushbu.
Sir, I have a doubt. I want to ask that, sir, G3 is a set representation as of set. And what is X here? X is the number of students, sir. Means
No,
average
not X.
student.
No, X is not number of students. X belongs to G3 means X is a student. You are one of them, right? Khushbu belongs to G3, correct?
So X means the students.
One of the student, right? X can be anybody. X can be Khushbu or X can be Shivali, Thakur. X can be Riddhi Garg, right? X can be Kunal.
You previously explained that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That was very confusing for me. So can you please
No. So
explain
there
it
are
again?
see, depending upon the set, right? Here the elements are 1, 2, 3, correct? In this set, elements are 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now elements are here. Elements are the students, right? Okay. So I'll ask one question. Thank you. So look at this. Okay, I'm taking a set. A is equal to CAT cat, DOG dog, right? And tiger. Okay. Okay. What are the elements in this set?
So cat, dog, and tiger, 3 elements are there.
Yeah, 3 elements. So I am telling X belongs to A. What is the possibilities for X now?
Sir, X may be cat, dog, or a tiger.
Tiger, correct? Yeah. So X belongs to A implies what? So there exists, okay? There exists Y belongs to A such that X is equal to Y. Okay. I'll explain you later. Belongs to meaning it has to be one of them, right? For example, is rat belong to A? Is the question. Is it rat belongs to A? No,
No,
right?
sir.
Why?
No.
Why it does not belongs to? Because it is not here. It has to be equal to one of them, right? Okay, good. Okay, so set changes, element changes. So X now students. Okay, good. Oh, sorry. Is it okay now? Clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, please ask like that. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Okay. Yeah. Now we are clearing all of you. Yes, please, sir. Yeah.
5 minutes remain.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Is it not audible? 5
You are
minutes.
audible, sir. You are audible.
5 minutes remaining.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So is it okay? So is it all of you clear with? So every student in this class is from Delhi. So we wrote like this: given any student X belongs to G3, X is from Delhi. Is it clear to all of you? Can you take guess first? Okay, good. Okay, so we are clearing all of you. So this is my statement, okay? And it is its mathematical version, right? It is its mathematical version, right? So you are telling that this statement is false, right? This statement is not true. What is the meaning of that? Somebody can comment. Can you take guess if you want to answer? Can you take guess if you want to answer? Every student in this class is from Delhi, but telling it is not, you are not accept that. Then what is that you want to say? Why you are saying that this is not true? Harit Panwar?
Yes, sir. The reason is not every student is in this class is not from Delhi.
That means so when it becomes
there are some from Delhi, but there also exists some who are not from Delhi.
So this is you are telling it is false statement, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is false statement meaning. So how to show this is false, right? So to show it is false, what is that I have to show?
That there exists a student in this class that is not from Delhi.
Yeah, so that is the so what is that statement to this statement? You are telling there is a student in this class is not from Delhi, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that statement to this statement? This is yes. What is that statement? What you are saying? Okay, I'm writing. There is a student. There is a student in this class. In this class, who is not from Delhi. What is that statement to original statement?
Sir, it would be a negation negation statement.
Yes. Okay, that is negation of yes, right? So that is the negation. Okay. So now somebody can tell me what is the set involved here. Now I'm clearing all of you. Now this is a new statement, right? There is a student in this class who is not from Delhi. To show that statement is wrong, you need to prove at least one element. Okay. Yeah. So what is the set involved in this? Shivani? Shivam Kumar. Yeah, go ahead. What is set involved? Shivam Kumar. No, set involved. I'm asking, not quantifier. What is the set involved? We are taking elements from which set?
So which is not from the student which is not from Delhi.
No, that is okay. See, here also there is a set involved, right? For example, every student in this class is from Delhi, right? I'm going to stop in a while. Okay, every student in this class is from Delhi. What is the set involved here?
So G3 is the set.
Right. So what is the set involved here also, right? There is a student in this class. Yeah, set is G3 only, right? Set is G3
Yes,
only. But yeah, so what is the property? So I take X belongs to G3, right?
Yes.
So X is not from Delhi, right?
Delhi.
Yeah, but what is that I have to write? What is the quantifier I have to write here?
So there exists a X which is from G3, but
Yeah.
X is not
So
from
there
Delhi.
is X. So this statement, there is a student in this class who is from Delhi. So negation. So this is what, right? Yeah. This is mathematical version of my statement, right? Mathematical version of that. Okay. So I'll just give two questions and that you can discuss in your discussion session. Okay. So there is a street in Delhi. There is a street in Delhi, right? Which does not contain a dog. Which does not contain a dog. Which does not have dog. Okay. There is a street in Delhi which does not contain a dog. So what is that you have to do? Write its mathematical version and negate it and write its mathematical version. Are you clear about the statement, please? What is that you have to write? This is my S. You have to write mathematical version and the negation of S in English, and its mathematical version. Is it clear to you? Is the question clear to you? Can you take guess if it is clear? Okay. Every natural number is a real number. Every natural number is a real number. Okay. Okay, so try to write what is the set involved, what is the quantifier, and how to write that. Okay, and write mathematical version and negation and that part. Okay, so yeah, okay, so discuss these things, right? So I will stop here. I will upload this in the notes.